Yo, what is up, guys? Back at it again with a new video. So current time is 7:57 p.m. of April 15th of 2021, and we're looking at FPWM. So my thought process for this stock is that since Thursday of last week, every morning it has a spike. So from here, from the 199, tops out at 242. That's about 20% up, and then we get another on that Friday, topping up about 13%. And then on Monday that next week, 16%, and then the following day after, 15%, and then we get another one yesterday, that nice spike, and then we get a hard crack down. And what I decided to do yesterday for an overnight swing is to buy 10 minutes before the market closed. So I got filled at for an overnight swing, so it could do a spike also, and go to like around 450 or so. And so I placed my order 10 minutes before the market closed on Wednesday the 14th, and I got filled at 403. My risk was to cut at 309, and it closes at around as you guys could see, it closes around 3.89, and I couldn't get out because I didn't have a day trade left. And so I was just predicting that tomorrow it could do that same thing, as to spike in the morning for about 13%, 15% of upside, so around 450. And what it does today, opens up, tops out at around 412, and then breaks my level, and then breaks it even more around here. So so tops out at 412, and then breaks my risk level at that 390. And it was so quick, and so I had placed it right away, and it just keeps on dropping. And so what I decided to do on this account is to buy at 307 135 shares to average up. And I really thought it could keep on. I thought it was just gonna drop. I thought it was gonna drop and then come back up. And I got at 307, so around here or so, and then it tops out at 328, and then my risk was to cut at 3. And what I should have done is cut this one at 328, or even waited a little bit more patient and gotten in around like 3 or like 295 for a better risk reward. And this is also an OTC stock, so you also have to put in the fact that you are going to get charged with fees. And so with that was in my mind, and I was up around here around like $28, but in total it would have been like a $14 gain or so. I should have taken that and taken this loss for that situation. But what I do is I cut at that $3 level, and then on my other account I get out at 284, which this one was a loss of $9.45. So it's probably more because of plus fees. So it's about fees is about $13.90 if you add that $9.45 plus a $69 loss for my other account. So in total I probably lost around $85 today to $90 today. And I just wanted to talk about it because to see where I messed up and see where I could have done better. What I should have done is cut it right away in the morning, because the day before it already had touched my risk level. And so that was from the get-go, and I should have just cut it there immediately. And also I've done this a couple times where I dip buy when I'm holding a stock the day before to average up that risk reward. So immediately just be more quick on the overnight trade, cutting my losses more quickly than to get in again to get more revenge, or even to be so eager to make those gains back up. And so what I did was make it more larger than it had to be. And so I had to talk about it to learn from it, and to educate those that don't, to educate those not to not make the same mistake I've done on this trade. And that's why this whole channel is came to be, to learn and to do better. And what I should have done was shoulda, coulda, woulda, got in this bottom at 222, rode it up a little bit, sold at like around VWAP 285 for around 28%, or even got in right here at 287, sold around 225. And from the beginning is to cut that loss quickly and just get out of it and move on to the next opportunity. It just became a more bigger effect than it had to be. And so I really hope you guys learn from this video and not make the same mistake I did. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out, guys.